Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to hide X-Ray on Amazon Prime. Full guide. Turning off X-Ray on Amazon Prime Video is easier than it seems, and it varies slightly depending on your device. On Chrome or other browser, simply start playing your video and leave your cursor on the screen. This will make both the cursor and X-Ray information disappear almost immediately. Instead of waiting for it to fade after moving the cursor away, on TV apps, X-ray appears when you pause or hover over content. To hide it, press back or exit on your remote, or check the app settings for display options. On Fire Stick, navigate the X-ray feature during playback and select Disable if available. This can significantly improve performance as many users experience delays with X-ray on Fire Stick. On mobile devices, pause your video and swipe or tap the screen to remove X-ray details. Keep in mind that X-ray is a default feature on Amazon, so some browser or temporary bugs make it harder to disable, but this tip should help you enjoy uninterrupted viewing across devices. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.